this is Hayden from Connect. Welcome to this beginner's guide to Power BI. In this video I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into Power BI. So first of all, I have Power BI open here. I have some CSVs here. Products file is the one I'm going to import. As you can see, it's just three basic columns: product ID, name and price. Right, so to get started, simply click Get Data, Text and CSV, choose the file, process in the background. There you go, that's the same data. Hit load. There you go, the products file has been added into Power BI. If I simply show you products, there you go, that's the data there. Thank you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to import multiple files, the same repetitive file but multiple times in a single go. Thank you very much. Goodbye.